In this video, I'll show you how to remove the background in Lightroom using the best built-in method, and I'll keep it simple and beginner-friendly. If you want a cleaner look for portraits, product photos, or social media edits, this is one of the fastest ways to make your subjects stand out without needing Photoshop. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Lightroom tips. Now let's get started. First, open your photo in Adobe Lightroom. You can do this from your library or directly from the editing view, depending on the version you're using. Once your image is open, look for the masking option. In Lightroom, masking lets you edit only certain parts of the photo instead of affecting the entire image. Next, click Select Subject. Lightroom will automatically detect the main subject in your image and create a mask around it. This is a great starting point because it saves you time and usually gives you a very accurate selection. But in this method, we actually want to work on the background, not the subject. So after the subject is selected, click Invert. This switches the mask from the subject to the background. Now Lightroom will target everything except the person or object you want to keep visible. This is the key step if your goal is to make the background less distracting and help the subject pop. Once the background is selected, you can start adjusting it. A very common first move is to lower the exposure. This darkens the background and puts more attention on the subject. You can also reduce clarity or sharpness to create a softer, slightly blurred feel in the background. That gives the image a more polished look, especially for portraits. You can also change the color temperature if you want the background to feel warmer or cooler. For example, making it cooler can create a more modern look, while warming it up can make the image feel softer and more natural. If needed, you can also tweak the saturation or tint to make the background less noticeable. The important thing to remember is that Lightroom does not truly remove the background like Photoshop would. Instead, it lets you mask the background and edit it separately. So this is best for isolating your subject, improving focus, and creating a cleaner overall look. If the mask needs refining, you can also add or subtract areas manually so the selection looks more natural. Take your time here, because a well-adjusted mask can make a big difference in the final result. And that's it. You now know how to remove, or more accurately edit the background in Lightroom using the built-in masking tools. It's fast, it's easy, and it works great when you want a professional looking edit without using advanced software. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more Lightroom tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.